It was evening time, and everyone was getting ready to go to Buaji's house for dinner.
Go Bingo, get the ball.
Hey Gattu, don't start playing. It's time to go now.
Papa, but mummy isn't ready yet.
What? Chinky, go and call mummy. Maybe she's ready by now.
Okay, Papa.
Chinky quickly goes into mummy's room and sees that mummy is searching for something under the table.
What happened, mummy? Did you lose something? Yes, Tinky. One of my gold earrings just fell down somewhere. Just look. Oh, I'll look right now, mummy.
Chinky bends down and looks under the table and suddenly sees something glittering in a corner.
Oh, maybe it's there.
Chinky reaches in and takes out the earring.
Here you go, mummy. I found your earrings. Oh, thank you so much, dear. Losing the earring would have been a big problem. What? But why so, mummy? Because, dear, these are gold earrings. They are very expensive. Oh, is that so, mummy? That is why they are so beautiful. Yes, dear. Mummy, will you get me a gold earrings too? What? Do you want them too? Yes, mummy. I really like them. Can I also get these precious gold earrings, please? Okay, Chinky. I'll get you one too. Now let's get ready quickly. Otherwise, we'll be late. Okay, mummy.
Chinky and mummy quickly come out and everyone goes to dinner. Mummy thought Chinky would forget about the gold earrings. But the next day,
Hey, Chinky. What are you doing? Mummy, I am putting my pocket money for this week in my piggy bank. I am not going to spend this. Okay, but why is that, Chinky? Look at Gattu. He even bought snacks for himself. Yes, but mummy, I want to buy precious gold earrings from it. You only said that you'll get them for me. What? Gold earrings?
just then mummy remembers what she had said.
Chinky, it seems you're very serious about your gold earrings. Yes, mummy. So tell me, will this much savings be enough for earrings? Dear, we'll find that out after breaking the piggy bank, right? Oh, then I'll break it right away. Okay, mummy. Oh, wait, dear. Don't break it right now. Let Papa come first, okay? Okay, mummy.
Chinky takes the piggy bank and leaves from there. And mummy says to herself,
Looks like Chinky's very serious about the gold earrings. Now I'll have to talk to Papa about it.
as soon as Papa comes home in the evening, mummy says to him,
Listen, I have something important to talk to you about.
Yes, what happened?
Chinky wants gold earrings. I casually told her that we'll buy them for her, but she's gotten serious. Today she was ready to break her piggy bank too.
What? The same piggy bank? In which we are saving for her from a long time?
Yes, that one.
Oh, Chinky never talks about breaking that piggy bank. Looks like she's really serious.
Right.
Alright then. At night after dinner, when everyone was sitting together, Chinky came back with her piggy bank and said to Papa,
No, Bingo, this isn't something to eat. You go and play with Gattu. Papa, did Mummy tell you? Should I break this piggy bank now? Then we can go tomorrow and buy earrings.
Yes, Chinky dear, but breaking this piggy bank won't do anything. We'll have to withdraw more money from the bank to buy gold earrings, and that will take some time. So should we go buy earrings on Sunday?
But Papa, why are these gold earrings so expensive that we'll have to borrow money from the bank for them?
Gattu dear, because gold is a limited resource. That's why it's precious. And its price always fluctuates up and down. That's why you should always think carefully before buying gold.
Oh, but why is the price of gold increasing, Papa?
Look kids, It's like when people feel that their money isn't safe, they go ahead and buy gold. And because of this, there is increase in its demand. That's why its price goes up.
Oh, so Papa, the price of gold is high right now. No, Chinky. You are lucky because the prices are good right now. We'll go and buy your new earrings on Sunday itself. Bingo, look, I am going to get new earrings.
Then what? Chinky gets ready and sits down early on Sunday morning. Chinky looks so happy today.
Yes, Papa, I'm unable to wait only. Just a little longer. I eat breakfast first.
After breakfast, everyone goes to the jewelry shop to buy earrings. Welcome, sir. Welcome, ma'am. Tell me, what would you like to see?
We want to see earrings for me. Gold earrings. Yes, we want the most beautiful gold earrings in the shop.
Okay, dear. All of you just sit here. I will show you the latest designs. Uncle quickly takes out some boxes and shows Gattu, Chinky, Mummy, Papa the designs of gold earrings.
Wow, Mummy, this one is so beautiful. Yes, beta, it is beautiful. How many grams does it weigh?
Ma'am, this piece weighs 2 grams. That's fine then. Chinky, you are sure then? You like this design, right?
Yes, Papa. Can I please try them also?
Yes, dear. Come here. I will help you wear them and see. Uncle puts the earrings on Chinky and then she looks in the mirror.
Wow, Chinky, these look absolutely perfect. It seems Bingo liked it too. Then it's final. Please pack this.
Chinky, congratulations. These are your first gold earrings.
Thank you, Papa.
Everyone gets really happy. And Chinky returns home carefully, carrying her first gold jewelry box with her.
Mummy, can I safely store this box in the locker in my wardrobe? I will wear it on the special occasions only. Yes, Chinky, very good. Store it safely in the locker. Then we'll have lunch together.
Chinky stores the box in her locker. And just like that, she purchases her first gold earrings.